complaining a bit as I got out of bed. "This won't last long," to my wife I said. I washed my face, combed my hair, looked out the window and thought, oh dear. Could not see the city. It had all gone, even the Sky Tower. I couldn't see the dial. Had my brekkie, listened to the news. The forecast was dreadful, with thunderstorms and blues. I said, "You're talking crap, mate. Yesterday was sunny as could be." Then a bolt of lightning hit the street. I thought, oh, that was not very neat. Clouds opened, rained cats and dogs. Might as well throw in a couple of elephants. Oh my God, there was a lot. The rain came down in buckets, flooded the lounge, burst in through the open door. Not nice to have around. Then galloped through my studio, and I thought, mate, not while I'm around. Rang the fire brigade, who were here quick as a flash. But I'm afraid to say, not quick enough, as the place was trashed. Everybody I've seen offered to lend a hand. Thank you all. The insurance should stand.